I absolutely love this Bissell carpet cleaner. I use it all the time. I watch dogs and I really need something to clean my carpets and rugs, and this is phenomenal. It's so easy to use. You put the solution very easily up top. It comes so easy to apply. You fill it in, you just follow the directions, and then you just snap it. So easy on the bottom. And right here, you can easily open it up and take out all of the mucky water, all the gross things that you have vacuumed up and cleaned your carpets, and you just go ahead and remove it. And once you're done, you go ahead and just snap it back into place just like so. And it's so good to use. It's got a little trigger right here. So you just turn it on. And as you turn it on, I'll show you, you just go ahead and you squirt water in the section you're trying to clean and you vacuum it up. And it's so satisfying. You can actually see it vacuum up all the dirt. I'm going to show you right now. Like I said, you just spray it a couple times and then you just go over it. It is so satisfying. It gets up all the things I'm trying to clean, the pee on the floor, poop stains, anything I've spilled. It is incredible. I love how it's upright. I'm not down on my hands and knees trying to scrub something. This does it all for me. This has been literally a game saver, game changer. I don't know what I would do without this. I love this, and I know you will too.